The diverse interests of the young generation. Nurturing a multifaceted future. The young generation of today, often referred to as Generation Z, or Millennials, is a dynamic and multifarious cohort that brings forth an array of interests and passions. This generation, shaped by technological advancements and evolving social landscapes, exhibits a diverse range of pursuits that reflect their aspirations, concerns, and desire for a better world. In this video, we will explore the various interests of the young generation, highlighting their dedication to social change, entrepreneurship, innovation, artistic expression, and sustainability. 1. Social change. One prominent interest among the young generation is a deep commitment to social change and activism. Growing up in a highly interconnected world, they are more aware of societal issues and injustices than ever before. They actively engage in movements advocating for gender equality, racial justice, LGBTQ+ rights, climate action, and more. The young generation utilizes social media platforms to raise awareness, organize protests, and initiate discussions on critical topics. By championing causes close to their hearts, they aim to build a more inclusive and equitable future. 2. Entrepreneurship. The young generation demonstrates a remarkable interest in entrepreneurship. They possess an entrepreneurial mindset and a desire to forge their path, driven by the availability of digital platforms and the gig economy. Many young individuals have embraced freelancing, starting their businesses, and developing innovative solutions to address societal challenges. Empowered by their technological fluency and ability to adapt quickly, they bring fresh ideas and unconventional approaches to traditional industries. 3. Innovation and technology. With an innate fluency in technology, the young generation exhibits an ardent interest in innovation. They are eager to explore emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and virtual reality, recognizing their potential to reshape various industries. Young entrepreneurs and developers are at the forefront of app creation, game development, and tech startups, harnessing the power of technology to solve problems and streamline processes. They envision a future where technology serves as an enabler for progress and positive change. 4. Artistic expression. Artistic expression in various forms holds a significant interest for the young generation. Whether it be through visual arts, music, writing, or filmmaking, young artists are utilizing their creative abilities to convey messages, challenge norms, and inspire others. They use platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to showcase their talents, connect with like-minded individuals, and cultivate a global artistic community. The young generation values self-expression, embracing the power of art to bridge gaps and foster understanding. 5. Sustainability and environmentalism. The young generation's concern for the environment is palpable, as they actively engage in sustainability initiatives. They are passionate about combating climate change, reducing carbon footprints, promoting renewable energy, and advocating for sustainable practices. Young environmental activists participate in strikes, join climate organizations, and influence policymakers to prioritize sustainable policies. Their interest in sustainability extends beyond personal actions to encompass systemic change and collective responsibility towards the planet. In summing up, the interests of the young generation span a wide spectrum, reflecting their aspirations, values, and dedication to shaping a better future. They are agents of social change, entrepreneurs, innovators, artists, and environmental advocates. The young generation's diverse pursuits highlight their desire for a more inclusive society, a sustainable planet, and the pursuit of personal fulfillment. Nurturing and supporting their varied interests will empower them to continue driving positive change and lead us toward a more vibrant and progressive world. So, did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Leave them in the comments section below.